there. Who hasn't heard of GPT, right? It's the talk of the town, and if you're like the most people, you're probably amazed by what it can do. But guess what? There is a new update that's going to blow your mind and leave you absolutely stunned. Welcome to NextGen AI Visions, where the future of humanity and technology meet. We are here to guide you through the wonders and weirdness of artificial intelligence. Tech keeps getting better and better, right? Well, let me introduce you to GPT-4.0. Come on, let's dive into the world of artificial intelligence and see what all the buzz is about. We will explore the incredible features and abilities that make this AI a true game changer. Ready to be wowed? Let's get started. First up, accuracy. We always aim for an A in everything, don't we? Well, GPT-4 definitely gets an A for accuracy. Just give it a detailed prompt, and boom, you've got accurately generated text. When we tried it out, the only hiccups were a missed question mark and a capitalization error. But hey, that's pretty minor. Overall, it's a job well done. Do you find it hard to design and lay out posters? If yes, you would surely be thrilled with this feature. GPT-4 was put to the test by two OpenAI researchers who asked it to create a movie poster. The first try was so-so, but after some tweaking, the final result was impressive. It turns out that this AI responds well to a bit of reverse psychology when asked for improvements. Pretty cool, right? The next time you'd be asked to lay out stuff, you might blurt out, "That's a piece of cake." But wait, there's more. GPT-4 isn't just about text and images. It can also interact like you and me. It was tested with a customer service AI, asking it to provide an email address and check if an email was received. It nailed it, showing off practical skills for real-world scenarios. The future of AI-powered customer service looks bright. Now, here are some features you won't want to miss. GPT-4 can create caricatures. Just upload a photo and ta-da! Your caricature is ready in a snap. Not happy with existing font styles? No problem. Describe your dream font and GPT-4 will generate it for you. Yes, it's that magical. Like a fairy godmother for fonts, or perhaps a genie that grants whatever you wish for. And if you hate transcribing meetings, this AI's got your back. It can transcribe meetings effortlessly, even if multiple people are talking. Need to summarize long videos quickly? Just sit back and relax. GPT-4 can summarize videos efficiently with a simple command. Its multimodal abilities are just amazing. Excited to try out the new GPT-4? Let us know in the comments below. And guess what? This is just the beginning. There are more features to look forward to. Whether you love math or hate it, GPT-4 excels in math benchmarks. It performed well on the Google Proof Graduate Test, beating competitors like Claude 3 Opus. It had mixed results in the drop benchmark for reading comprehension, but overall, it's a strong contender with a context length of 128K tokens. Hola! 안녕하세요. Salud! Konnichiwa! Wondering how this ties into GPT-4? This AI can work in various languages, especially non-English ones. But of course, English is its strongest suit. Translation has never been easier. GPT-4 can translate in real time and even produce multiple voices. No need to play multiple personas. It's got you covered. Guess what else GPT-4 can do? Video and live streaming. Yep, you heard that right. GPT-4 can handle video input, offering real-time interactions and analysis. While its reaction time for video isn't quite as snappy as it is for audio, it's still pretty impressive. Imagine having an AI that can analyze and interact with video content in real time, whether it's for streaming your favorite game on Twitch, conducting a live Q&A session on YouTube, or even analyzing security footage to enhance safety measures. The possibilities are truly endless and super exciting. But that's just the beginning of GPT-4's capabilities. It's not just about videos and live streams. GPT-4 excels in a variety of tasks that require immediate feedback and complex analysis. Think about how it could revolutionize virtual classrooms, where teachers can engage students with interactive lessons and real-time explanations. Or picture using GPT-4 in business settings, where it can assist in making critical decisions based on real-time data analysis during meetings or conferences. The ability to handle video input opens doors to innovative applications across industries, making processes more efficient and interactive than ever before. In terms of interactive and real-time demos, GPT-4 can really shine here, especially with live coding assistance. Imagine having an AI buddy that can help you code in real time, offering quick and accurate feedback. Whether you're debugging a tricky piece of code, learning a new programming language, or just need a second pair of eyes on your work, GPT-4 is like having a super smart assistant right there with you. GPT-4 is not just a plain text-based AI anymore. It's a powerhouse capable of transforming how we interact with and utilize multimedia content. With its robust video capabilities, enhanced accuracy, and real-time functionalities, GPT-4 is setting a new standard for AI applications. Get ready to see it in action because the future of AI-driven video and live streaming is bright, and GPT-4 is leading the way. What's next for GPT-4? The future looks incredibly exciting with a ton of potential developments on the horizon. Imagine integrating GPT-4 with devices like iPhones. You could have this powerful AI right in your pocket, ready to assist you with everything from drafting emails to navigating complex tasks with just a voice command. It's like having a personal assistant that's always available, making your smartphone even smarter. Continuous updates and improvements are expected, and there are already whispers about GPT 4.5 or even GPT-5 in the near future. Imagine how mind-blowing it could get. These updates promise to bring even more advanced features, increased accuracy, and faster response times, further pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. Every new version will build on the success of its predecessors, providing improved features and more polished performance. There's no way but up for technology. What's truly admirable is OpenAI's commitment to making AI accessible to everyone. They aim to provide these cutting-edge tools without the burden of ads or subscriptions, ensuring more people can benefit from AI advancements without worrying about hidden costs or annoying interruptions. OpenAI's mission is all about making AI accessible to everyone. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a student, or a professional trying to streamline your work, OpenAI wants to make sure you can benefit from these incredible advancements. There's no denying it. The future of GPT-4 and its successors is bright and full of potential. With ongoing updates, potential integration with everyday devices, and a commitment to accessibility, the impact of AI on our daily lives is set to grow even more profound. Stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. In a nutshell, GPT-4 is a huge leap forward in AI technology, bringing a whole new level of accuracy, versatility, and practicality. With its multimodal capabilities, it's not just about text anymore. It's handling images, videos, and live interactions like a pro. Whether you're designing movie posters, transcribing meetings, or getting live coding help, GPT-4 has got you covered. And with its stellar performance in benchmarks and an array of exciting features, it is clear that GPT-4 is paving the way for an even brighter AI future. So whether you're a tech geek, a creative soul, or just someone curious about what AI can do, GPT-4 is here to impress and assist. The future is looking bright, and with continuous updates and potential integrations with everyday devices, we are just getting started. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing advancements and get ready to see AI transform the way we live and work. The best is yet to come. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Stay tuned for more updates on the exciting world of AI.